Above ground, life is facing all manner of difficulties in adapting to climate change, and below the sea, life isn't much better. One of the biggest threats facing marine life is ocean acidification. Ocean acidification occurs when carbon dioxide is absorbed by seawater, causing chemical reactions to occur that make the water more acidic. This effect is happening across the world, but one place in particular has shown very clear evidence of ocean acidification. This is the northeastern Pacific Ocean. This part of the ocean is not any more or less vulnerable than other parts of the ocean in terms of its response to acidification. However, due to the presence of aquaculture, it bridges the gap between underwater life and life above ground. This area is vulnerable because acidification is having negative effects on the marine life there. The future of marine life varies from species to species, but it is clear that if humans continue to alter the world the way we are now, then marine life as we know it will be drastically changed. This is supported by the 4th National Climate Assessment, who states that, quote, impacts of ocean acidification range from changes in organismal physiology and behavior to population dynamics and will affect marine ecosystems for centuries if emissions continue. End quote. Not only is this bad news for marine life, but it is bad for human communities as well. The rise of CO2-rich waters is causing widespread fatalities in aquacultures. For example, larval oysters are particularly sensitive and have simply been dying because of the change in habitat. This shows that aquaculture, a major food source for humans, is suffering as a result of climate change. In terms of solutions, there are a few that have been proposed, each carrying their own set of consequences. Conservation efforts won't hurt, but also won't be enough. Geoengineering has potential, but it would be extremely expensive and will have a negative socio-economic response. On the bright side, while these solutions have their drawbacks, it is good to see an effort being made toward a solution, and it is clear that all hope is not lost.